Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. We're bringing you a cold start walk around video. May 3rd, rainy, cool, 50 degrees out. Got an 03 F250 6.0 Powerstroke. We've let it sit here for a couple hours. The only driving it's done today is from the shop to right here a couple hours ago. We're going to be cold starting it, showing you everything inside, outside, and under the hood. It's a real nice F250 crew cab short bed, Lariat edition. Super clean truck. Let's see here on the miles. It's pretty decent. It's under 200. 199,279. As you can see, the motor is cold. Train's got a little warmth on it. Truck fires right up. We serviced it fully. Runs and drives amazing. 199,000 miles. No check engine lights, no warning lights, doesn't do anything funny, checks out on a scanner. Let's see, parking sensors, four-wheel drive, trailer brakes, cold AC, hot heat. Got a CD player, tape deck. Overhead computer still works. They're usually burnt out on these old ones. Cruise control, power windows, power mirrors, power seats, leather, power adjustable, not heated though. Got the jump seat in the middle, so it has seating for 6 people. Sliding window in the rear, tinted windows up front. That's pretty much it. This is a very stock truck. As far as modifications go, it's on stock head bolts. It doesn't build any coolant pressure. It's got a coolant filtration system and an EGR Delete. There's no check engine lights. The EGR's been tuned out on the stock power level. Other than that, this truck's pretty much bone stock. Solid puller, runs and drives great, but let's hop out, look it over, and kind of go from there. We do got a couple little, it's starting to rain on us here. I'm gonna make this quick. A couple of goodies under the hood here. We do have the XDP Coolant Filtration system. No blow-by whatsoever on this truck. Mechanically, this thing is a beast. XDP Coolant Filtration, EGR Delete. Lots of coolant levels, everything you want to see in here. Modifications we did, we updated the headlights to the 08 style, or excuse me, the tow mirrors. The headlights we updated to the 05 Harley Davidsons. We did paint to match Arizona beige fender flares, pocket riveted. It has a 4-inch rough country suspension lift with the new leafs and everything. And we're sitting on a set of 20x12 Ion 141 negative 44 offset black and milled wheels with a brand new set of 35-inch 1250 amp terrain gripper. That's our 40K 1,000-mile tire warranty tire. Super clean. There's not a lot of dings or dents. There is a little bit of rust under these flares. Not a lot. We've killed it out. It was pretty minor, but it was there. The rockers and cab corners are as nice and original as you can find. The truck looks like it's from California looking at these rockers and cab corners. Super clean underneath. Minor surface rust on the drivetrain, but that's normal for a Midwest truck. It also has a hydraulic locking tonneau cover, which I'll show you real quick here. It's pretty sweet. I'm pretty sure the keys are on the key ring for it. No ball in the bed, no fifth wheel hitch ever, which is a plus. You know this truck has not been towing heavy things its entire life. More than likely something from the bumper hitch. That doesn't mean it doesn't tow heavy stuff, but none of the massive farm trailers. Backup sensors. I mean, this truck is clean for an 03. There's no dents in the tailgate, no nicks. You have some minor scratches like that that are barely in the paint. Smoke taillights. It's just window tint. It peels right off if you don't like it. It stays forever if you do. The exhaust is stock. It's just got a tip on it. Previous owner did that. Here is one scratch on this bedside. I'm gonna point it out. It's been touched up, but you can see there's a scratch right there. It isn't terrible. Hard to notice it, but that is the one scratch on this body that I can point out, I think, for the most part. I'm gonna go back and unlock it so we can get a better look at this inside. Try to cover everything and give you guys a complete feel for this truck. That way you don't have to waste your time and have it not live up to your expectations. That's why we do these videos here at 816 Diesel. Very clean rig though. There's no rips or tears in the leather. Got some cracks from, you know, being almost freaking 18 years old, but not ripped up or torn up or anything. Super clean. Nice clean carpets. Power passenger seat. Let's look at this rocker, cab corner over here. Oh man, look at that. That is beautiful. That is factory new. You can still see the metallic in the paint. That is crazy how nice this truck is. Smoked out the mirror lens too as well. We got the Dirty Money sticker on it. It's ready to go, guys. 4 brand new shocks, front end serviced, all new alignment. Everything you want to know. It is all done to this truck. Turnkey, clean title in hand. Head on over to 816diesel.com if you are interested. I can tell you I posted this truck for sale last night. I've already got a couple of guys interested in it. We're getting this video over to them ASAP. I can personally tell you I will not have this truck 10 days. I only have 2 for sale at the moment, so do not snooze on it. 816 Diesel is our name. We're downtown Kansas City, Missouri, just off I-35 and I-70. Head over to the website, 816diesel.com. On there, you're going to find pictures, VIN number, pricing, contact information. Everything is on the website. But if you just want to get a hold of me now, if you got questions or want to come check it out, my name's Cameron. My cell phone is 913-735-3748. Give me a shout. Let me know how I can help. But I appreciate your time as always, guys. Let me know what you think of the truck, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.